back to the channel. How's everybody doing? Typical, man. Sunday. Tech Talk Sunday. Okay. Yes, I like to carry on these events twice a week. Okay. Thursdays and Sundays. Now, I come on at 8. My buddy Tim come on at 7. So they basically back to back, guys. Yeah, we just go back to back now to keep it simple. Okay. Thanks, Tom. Keep it simple. And we'll beforehand, everybody was jumping back and forth on a Sunday. So I don't know, make it more simple and plainer. So kudos to my buddy Tim for coming up with that idea. That was a great idea. Dark Hemi, what's going on? What's going on? Tim in the building. What is going on, guys? Something else I saw on here. Y'all know we headed toward the EV world, right? All right, right here. Let's do this. Okay, now from a standpoint of in the future, cars gonna be graded on not only the fact that they're EV, but how long of a distance you can drive before you run out of juice. 5 best electric vehicles with the longest driving range. So now this is not mandated yet. So when it do get here, so this give all the car makers a heads up, right? Give them time to invent or create a long-lasting electrical system, right? This is your proof. This is your evidence right here. Right now, I can imagine who's at top. 5 best electric vehicles with the longest driving range. All right. What electric vehicle has the longest driving range? Let's get to it. Which ones? Okay. They went from 5 to 1. The 2020. They all 2022 model. The Mercedes is 5th. Telsa, all 3 Telsa brands. 22, the Mercedes driving range of 350 miles on a full charge, guys. So think about this for a second. You as other car makers got a heads up. Now, the EV vehicle that you design, you can try your best to engineer or design an electrical system that will essentially go longer than this. You will make this list. All right. So you got a heads up knowledge on what everybody's doing. 350 miles is no walk in the park. I mean, that's a lot of freaking miles on a full charge. I guess I'm saying that right. The Telsa Model 3 long range, all-wheel drive, and they getting 353 miles on a full charge. Guys, they giving us the heads up, man. These car makers, I hope y'all, FCA, Stellantis. I keep saying FCA, Stellantis. Do y'all see? So in the process of y'all designing y'all vehicles, make sure they can go longer than, let's just round it off. Make sure they can go at least 400 miles on a full charge. How about that? That makes sense, right? You will have a leg up. Now, don't get me wrong. These guys ain't going to set on these numbers, right? Tesla right now is trying to design a 500-mile car. That's going to be the future grading standpoint of how you grade cars. Here's another Tesla model, 371 miles on a full charge. That is a lot of freaking miles on a... Now, you know what's going to happen, guys? People like me going to be riding. Like, you get 371. You fill your charge, fully charge your vehicle. You jump on the road. You get up to 360 miles. All right, I'm running down low. Let me go find me a thing. And you get to some place that don't have them. And the next one that have one is 20 miles away. But you only have 5 miles left. So what are you going to have, a backup? I don't know, man. All right, Telsa is ruling this department. All right, there's another Telsa model, 371 miles on a full charge. Who is number one? The number one, okay, I went backwards then. 520, the Lucid. So who was, okay, it went from 5th to 1. 5th to, obviously, I seen one 370, right? Yes, this Telsa Model X long range, driving range of 371. So technically, from an EV standpoint, the highest selling model EV car out right now probably is this model, simply because somebody decided to grade their range of miles that can be driven on a full charge battery. So guys, if your goal, which is every car maker's goal, is to sell product, and you can see that news or information like this helps push product, sell product, that should be your number one goal when you design your EV model vehicle. I just round it off. Try to build a vehicle that will get you 400 miles on a single full charge. Problem solved. JT figured it out. All you engineers out there, I have not had no college degree, only technical background degree, but I just cracked the code on how you can sell a lot of product. It's simple. Design a vehicle that will get you 400 miles on a full charge. I figured it out. I just cracked the code. I'm proud of myself. All right. Yes, that's crazy, man. That is really crazy. Now, I saw some news worth mentioning over here. This is my other trusty source, guys, Mopar Insiders. For the record, guys, we're not done with the right here. Stellantis to shut down Jeep Cherokee production this week. We're not done with the chip shortage issue, okay? It seems like, I mean, I can't tell we was in one because we were still getting a truckload of vehicles, new car vehicles. So, but Stellantis have to shut down some of their plants because the chip shortage. I already read this article and dissected it. It's all about chip shortage and chip this. So I had to get out of here because this ad's playing in the background and YouTube be talking smack when I be screen sharing other folks' ads. So let me get out of that screen. But my point is, guys, that vehicle that produce or that will produce all of those miles on a full charge is likely going to be a hot seller. In my opinion, I could be wrong. I don't know what people are going to be judging cars by the next 2 or 3 years. Everybody, it's crazy, man. It is always tools to buy. Yes, you're right. It's always a tool we don't have, but I'm always buying it. Never ends. If I don't have it, I'm going to get it because I'm never broke. I don't think nobody in this room is broke. I don't think nobody. Yeah, if you're a mechanic, somebody mentioned that earlier. If you're a mechanic, there's no reason you should be broke. I don't think they're broke. They're just selective on what they spend money on. All right. Yes. Me, I can do other things with my money, but if I need it, I have to go get it, which is what you saw in Tim's video. See how ironic. Tim never mentioned where I was going. Y'all saw that store. That store was called Northern, right? Northern sell tools. Yes, I was headed there to get a tool that I had been borrowing for a while. I was forced to go get the tool because he took it from me. I had it too long. He said it was just too freaking long. JT, enough is enough. I told y'all I got to work on that. All right, I'm working on that.